Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you 3 quick and easy home decor spring DIYs. You can make this at home on a budget. All the materials that I have here are from Dollar Tree, and if not, they are items that I already had on hand. So if you're interested to see what I come up with, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first DIY I want to share with you is my favorite. First of all, it is the quick and easiest DIY you could possibly make. And it's my favorite because I just love how it's clean looking, it's earthy looking, and I want to start incorporating more greenery in my home decor, more plants and stuff like that. So with that being said, I have here some greenery that I got from Dollar Tree. I got here some fern, and I got some green leaves, and I have this bigger leaf here that has some cream color. You can use real leaves if you want to. You could use real flowers, that would be really pretty, or artificial flowers. You know, anything that you want to use, you can use, but I wanted to stick with the green look, so I got the green leaves. And I have here some picture frames. They're the 8x10, and I'm going to be using 4 of these. And I decided to just keep this picture, the frame of it, just keep it the way it is, black, plain and simple. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my picture frames apart. And I'm going to clean the glass. Okay, so now that I clean my glass, I'm only going to use one of the frames, but I'm not going to throw this out. I'm going to use it for something else. I will only be using one frame. I'm only going to take one of the glass, and I'm going to place it back in the picture frame. Be very, very careful because this glass is paper thin. You don't want it to break. Now I'm going to take my greenery, and I'm just going to pop it right off. Comes off really easily, and I'm only going to use 3 of the leaves, and I'll save the rest for another project. And then I'm going to play around with it a little bit to see how I want this. I might have to cut them, which, yeah, because I want some to be long and some to be short. Alright, let me get my cutters. Okay, so I did trim down the fern so it could sit in the frame nice and even. And now I'm going to take the other piece of glass and carefully place it right on top. And there you have it. And I think it's so pretty. And here's what the other one looks like. I think that they turned out really, really nice, and I just love the way it looks. Okay, so the next DIY I want to share with you is a really pretty lantern. All the materials I have here are from Dollar Tree. I have here some LED tea lights, a clear glass candle holder with a handle. I have here some green moss and some little props here. I have some butterflies. Not sure which ones I'm going to use. I might end up adding some other stuff to it. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when I'm done. And I have here a cute little bird. And of course, my ride or die glue gun. Okay, so I have these 2 little round circle papers, and I'm just going to tape them on my lantern like this because I want there to be some opening to where you could see the tea light glowing out of it. So that's what I'm going to do first. And I'm just going to use some glue dots. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue the moss to my candle holder. Guys, so here's what it looks like once I glued all the moss on top of the candle holder, and I added some of the little branches on there just so it would have more of a woodsy look to it. And I'm going to peel off the paper. so we can have the little holes sticking out, just like that. I'll clean it up a little bit later. And now I'm gonna hot glue some butterflies and some other stuff to it. I decided to go with these small ones that I had on hand that I did get from Dollar Tree. The other ones were just too big, so I'm just gonna hot glue it right about here. And I'm gonna take this little bird here and I'm gonna hot glue him to the top here. So he's just chilling, relaxing, right on top. Okay, so I picked out the wrong tea lights. These must have been from Christmas. These are the color changing LED lights. That's not the one I want to use. So, of course, I always have tea lights, the LED tea lights on hand. So here's one here. And I'm just going to place it right in there. And there you have it. Now, I could add more stuff to it, flowers and stuff like that, but I just wanted to keep it simple. And there you have it, you guys. A really pretty, simple, easy to make spring DIY for your home. And I think it turned out really cute. Okay, so the last DIY I want to share with you are some really cute distress blocks. And all I used was these cute little alphabet blocks that I got at Dollar Tree in the kids section. I have here a multi-sand block, just some black acrylic paint and some chalk paint in the color cottage white, and then I have some paint brushes, not sure which one I'm going to use, and a black Sharpie. And the first thing I'm going to do is just start painting my blocks with the white chalk paint. Okay, so here's what the blocks look like once I gave it a couple coats. I did have to go over the blocks a couple times with the chalk paint, but that was no big deal. So now I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm just going to write the letters that I want on them. Okay, so here's what it looks like once I drew my letters on the blocks with the black Sharpie. Now I'm going to take my sanding block and just distress it a little bit. Alright guys, so there you have it. Some quick, simple, easy, affordable DIYs for your home decor for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time out to watch it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.